Hello, welcome back to the channel, Oliver's Musical Genius in Search of the Perfect Jam. This is the channel where I practice for at least 10 minutes on every single video as I progress towards 10,000 hours of public practicing. This video is brought to you by Getcha Some Productions, my music production company and podcast, link in the description. This video is also brought to you by GetchaSomeGuitar.com, my guitar lesson website, link in the description as well. I'm going to be playing a song called Margaret Revisited, originally recorded by the Handshake. And I will include a link to the Handshake's website, thehandshake.band, but a link in the description as well. If you want to hear the original version, I did a couple of versions already in the past couple of days, but I need to do a few more because the loops were not good, and I was hitting the looper with bare feet, and I think I was getting my timing off, and I have shoes on now, and I want to see if I do better making loops with my Donner triple looper. So this is Margaret Revisited. Whenever we're united, I'm alive as I'll ever be. I'm driven and I can't fight it. Strive is a better me. And after we make love, I have to laugh at life unfair. Come and get me now, death. See if I fucking care. Wanna know, you better than anybody else I've ever known. Can't you see, I believe we're a team meant to be, and together there is nothing that we can't achieve. When we're apart, I am delighted by your memory. I'll wait till you return to me. When we're apart, I'll strive no matter how hard. Whenever we're united, I'm alive as I'll ever be. I'm driven and I can't fight it. Strive is a better me. And after we make love, I have to laugh at life unfair. Come and get me now, death. See if I fucking care. Now I understand what it means to consider someone else every time that I make a decision. All my energy is devoted to our love. Every moment that I think it is you I'm thinking of. When we're apart, I am delighted by your memory. I'll wait till you return to me. When we're apart, I'll strive no matter how hard. Had the most beautiful thoughts, but what were they all about? Touched many lives, but I never reached out. Felt the deepest hurt, but it was gone too soon. Felt the deepest love, but it led me to ruin. I've poured more into me than could ever possibly fear, which is what love does to whoever will let it. The greatest things are not made like diamonds from coal crushed, but senior, you are only a sight, and time is not rushed, but heard most clearly when sound becomes the air. Framing you, now I mean to do what before I would not dare. Become the hero that I always knew I could, but devote all my strength to your greater good. I will always be there. I will always be there. I will always be there. Touch your skin and kiss your lips becomes my only care, and bear with you myself, softly then with force, partially then completely, we move deeply. I'm sure I could jump right over that building, but I have got to take care of my baby. I'm sure I could jump right over that building, but I have got to take care of my baby. Okay, thanks for watching.